of personality function. The Melchizedek order of universe sonship has been exceedingly active on Urantia. A core of 12 served in conjunction with the life carriers. A later core of 12 became receivers for your world shortly after the Caligastia secession, and continued in authority until the time of Adam and Eve. These 12 Melchizedeks returned to Urantia upon the default of Adam and Eve, and they continued thereafter as planetary receivers on down to the day when Jesus of Nazareth, as the Son of Man, became the titular planetary prince of Urantia. The Melchizedeks are widely known as emergency sons.